Hey guys, welcome back. We are on an MRE spree right now. We did breakfast menu this morning that we didn't much like, so
It was disgusting.
We got a new one to try. Tommy, you want to show them?
We have the ultimate chicken pesto pasta.
Here, here's a good.
Pasta.
Okay, why don't you open it up and we'll see what's in there.
It's menu 23, I think, because it says 23.
Yeah, isn't that the one that they replaced with the pepperoni pizza?
I don't know.
I think it is.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
So hopefully this one is good.
I like the idea of chicken. I don't think we've had one that had chicken in it. I could be wrong.
Yeah, we did. The first one we did.
Was that chicken?
Yeah, remember
well,
chicken
that's
chunks?
right. That was right. We did have the chicken chunks. Okay, that was okay. It wasn't great.
So here's just the bag. We have got our hot beverage bag. Seen it before. Don't care.
Yeah, I don't usually use these.
This is just some nutrition facts.
Apparently we get a cherry blueberry cobbler.
My dad's gonna love that.
I will like that, yeah.
Chicken pesto pasta for the cardboard sleeve there.
Did they get a good look at the ingredients and everything?
I don't think. They can pause. You know.
Yeah.
We've got a ration heater.
Perfect.
And we've got the chicken, the cherry blueberry cobbler. We've got oatmeal chocolate chunk.
Okay, so it's just like the dessert we had with one of the ones we did last night.
The chicken pesto pasta itself. We have gotten Italian breadsticks.
Ooh, cool. Those will go nice with the pasta dish.
And a MRE spoon. The accessory packets. Cheese spread with jalapenos.
Oh, the jalapeno cheese spread. That's the best one. I mean, the bacon one is good, but...
We saw Steve MRE do this, Steve 1989 MRE info, which is where we got the idea from. He had that cheese spread and he said it's the best. So I'm going to open up the accessory packet and see what we've got in there.
I'm going to start heating up. So I've got the cherry cobbler in here, as well as the main, the chicken pesto pasta. We're going to put a little water in there.
Gum.
Okay.
Toilet paper. Iodized salt. Matches. Sugar, which probably means there's going to be coffee or tea. Mozzarella, we've seen that before, that's boring. Creamer. And this is probably coffee. I can't see what it says.
Yep.
I think it's coffee.
Genial instant coffee.
Instant coffee.
Okay.
So that's everything. I'm going to start kneading this cheese spread with jalapenos here. Jalapenos, whenever it says jalapenos, I'm going to say jalapenos, by the way.
Okay.
Look at this beautiful, beautiful cheese spread.
So we don't need to review the cobbler cookie combination because we did that last night. But we do need to review the. You know what? We got this chocolate protein.
We didn't
drink.
get a cookie. It said chunks.
Okay, well, we'll take a look at it. This is what we got also last night, and I wasn't going to have it because, as you can see, the main ingredient is sugar, which means this is in 270 calories. But I'm going to have it to. Unless, do you want to try this?
No. I hate
Tommy
chocolate.
was hoping for a drink that he liked, like the grape or something, but
Yeah.
we didn't get
Yeah.
that. So yeah, so I'm going to try that.
Okay, and I'll tell you one thing, guys. I don't really like this that much. Let me give you a close-up so you can see that it says instant coffee.
So it says 8 ounces of cold water, so I'm actually going to get some cold water going.
I'm still kneading this cheese spread. It's getting really easy. It's getting pretty cheesy. Melted cheese. It feels like melted cheese now.
Okay. So what do you think? Should we end it now and then come back when our mains are, or when our hot stuff is ready?
Or do we want to try all this? Try the stuff we have.
Okay.
Let's make the drinks too, I guess.
Yeah, that's what I was just gonna
Let's
do.
make the chocolate thing,
So here's our
maybe.
8 ounces. Ooh, it smells really good, really strong, chocolatey.
It's like sealable, so maybe you're not supposed to use all.
Well, I think the idea is that now I can make the drink in the bag.
Oh yeah, because you're not
Right?
gonna really have cups, are you?
You might have a canteen cup, but this you get a better mix this way, and then you can pour this if you want to into your cup.
Into your canteen.
Yeah.
But you have to make the coffee in the canteen, because I don't know if all your coffee is gonna fit in this.
Not in that pouch, probably not. No.
Let's try it. You know what? It's worth a shot.
You're silly.
There's not enough space in there. I mean.
Okay, so why don't you take out our breadsticks? We're gonna probably do the cheese spread with the breadsticks.
Okay, this stuff looks disgusting. Ew, look at this. It's disgusting. Oh, I still smell that. Oh, I still smell the sausage from this morning. We really need to, like, disinfect this table. So, save. There's the breadsticks. I thought they just smelled disgusting, like the sausage, but it's actually, oh, the sausage smell.
I'll tell you what, this tastes good. It's such a thick, chocolatey drink, but
Oh, and now
mix.
the chocolate. It's disgusting.
It just didn't mix very well. I mean, it's just like a really strong hot cocoa.
I'll open up this.
Okay. I suspect it's going to be very similar to the thing we had last night.
Yeah, probably. The oatmeal cookie that we had last night.
Yeah.
That thing was good.
So what is this called then?
It's called.
Oatmeal chocolate chunk cookie. Yeah, I think it's the same thing.
Oh, I didn't realize that it said cookie. If I could ever open this thing, that would be quite useful. This thing's gonna get destroyed.
And I'll probably okay.
Okay, this is a full cookie this time.
Well, that's cool.
It's a full cookie. We got the full cooker.
I still anticipate mixing it with the. Unless you want to eat the whole thing, mixing it with the.
No, I hate it. Remember, it fills me up too fast. I hate
Okay.
it. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to eat anything. Like, this thing, it's kept me full. Like, one bite of this keeps me full for like 5 hours.
So, buddy, my thinking is we're gonna put the cheese spread on the breadsticks. Do you want to do that?
Sure, it's not. I'm not gonna eat them.
Okay. But try to make it even if you can.
I'll try.
I'm gonna save the coffee for another time. I already had some coffee today.
Morning.
Pardon?
Just a morning.
Yeah.
And maybe if you run out of coffee, but you don't realize.
But it's good to have instant coffee on hand, yeah, in case you run out of
Actual.
anything you would normally use. It's fine if it's not perfect. We got a spoon. I'm washing and saving the MRE spoons now, so we can use just MRE spoons as much as possible for our little experiments here.
It's really horrible.
Let me try this.
Guys, look at. Who calls that even?
Well, you know what though? You take a spoon, spread it out. Looks good.
Yeah.
Let's taste it.
It actually does look appetizing. I'm not gonna eat it though.
It's good.
'Cause I hate.
The spiciness of the jalapeno.
I hate jalapenos, and I hate cheese, and I hate that bread.
Good. So, in 10 minutes, we're going to start up again and show you the rest.